Watching this video till the end will definitely help you in many ways. Hi, this is Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is not about technology tutorial or a course promotion. This video is all about how you can use social media effectively for your career. See, a few years back, social media is meant only for entertainment purpose. But with the evolution of internet, with the evolution of digital technologies, it is completely changed now. Now social media can be used for your business, social media can be used for job searching, social media can be used for influencing people or to get influenced by the people. So things are changing drastically, and there are few good things on social media now and there are few bad things too. But in this video I'm into the stride point that how you can use social media to transform your career or to land in your desired job or land in your desired business. So I have named it as 4 C's of social media. So let's get into one by one. First thing is create in the sense, first of all, in order to use social media effectively, you need to create a social media account for that, right? So if you don't have one, you need to have one. So when we talk about social media, there are various platforms that will come into your mind, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. So there are many, right? So there are unlimited number of platforms today all over the world, so that has millions of users, so across the world again. So but do we think every social media platform will help you in your career? No, strictly no, right? So there are only few platforms that will really help you transform your career. So according to me, according to my knowledge, so LinkedIn is such platform. Apart from LinkedIn, YouTube is one thing, and other thing is Instagram, so where people not show interest towards Instagram for their career, but yes, Instagram is also a great tool to shape your career. So out of these three, so LinkedIn is the one which help you in every way, every possible way. So it can help you to grow your business, it can help you to gain your popularity, it can help you to expose your skills, it can help you to find your dream job. So there are many ways, right? So apart from that, YouTube is one such platform where you can get things, you can learn things easily. So first thing is you need to be in social media in order to gain something from this video. So yeah, don't think that social media will disturb you in your education or in your career. So if you think social media disturbs you, so limit the uses, but not just completely avoid the social media, but because in this fast moving digital world, so if you're not in social media, then you're not living in, if you're not in social media, then you are not living in this world. So you need to be in social media to know everything and to do everything. So first of all, creating an account in social media. So because you know how to create an account in social media, I don't need to teach that, right? So okay, keep it aside. And the second one is connect. So the second C of social media is connections. So when you take LinkedIn, so the major thing is you need to connect with people there. You need to connect people of your same interest. So on this point, I would like to suggest you that, so be with people who can influence you, whom you think that they will influence you, or you are in your domain. So if you are a student of computer science domain, so connect with people who are working in industries, who have an industrial exposure, or who are active students in your field, and so who regularly post some good quality content. So if you are with them, then you can get some good knowledge. So but if your connections are people who are not anywhere relevant to your domain or relevant to your education, then it is of no use, right? Always follow people who can influence you in your low times. Whenever you feel low or whenever you experience any sort of failure, so if they have the capability to change your mindset, then you are in a right zone. So always surrounded with people who can influence you in any time. So the more quality people that you are connected with, the more knowledge that you will get ultimately. So if you are always with a single zone of people where the purpose is just to entertain, then you will not gain much knowledge, right? So your connection should be someone who gives you knowledge, who motivates you, and whom you can motivate yourself by looking their lifestyle. So these are the connections that you need to have in your account, so in order to gain something. So this is the second C. So always connect with people whom you think they can influence you. And the third C of social media is contribute. So social media is a great platform to contribute your skills, to expose your skills. So if you are skilled in something, so make videos out of that, write some posts there and produce some content and post it in social media, because social media is a platform. I said in the second C of social media, you connect with people of your same domain. So if you are someone who are looking for a job, so if you are good in a particular skill, so consider you are good in software development and you post all your things in social media there, so maybe someday people will get back to you to hire you because of your knowledge. And if you are someone whose will is to start your business, so post all about your business, post all about your ideas. Someone from somewhere will definitely look your content and they will get back to you to collaborate. So collaborate is the fourth C of social media that I want to talk about. So before that, contribute in everything. So contribute your knowledge in the social media, also contribute with other ideas. So if someone from your domain posts something, be an active part of that discussion so that people will notice you. So that is the thing you need to be aware when you are spending time in social media. And the fourth C of social media is collaborate. So join in groups, pages, or contribute. So as I will tell, you need to contribute your knowledge into the social media. So while contributing, you have to create a platform to contribute. So actively participate in discussions, actively join in groups and pages of your interest, and actively connect with people who are of your same interest, and do something which will be useful for you as well as which will be useful for him or her. So if you collaborate with similar minded people, so you can get done your things easily. So this is one thing. So collaborate as much as you can, collaborate with people, collaborate with pages and groups, so that it will really gives you an exposure in social media platforms. So once you follow all these 4 C's of social media, what are the things that you will get? The first thing is you will be exposed to the social environment, you will be exposed to your network, you will be exposed to your connections. So whether if there is an opportunity that really suits you, it will searches for you. You don't need to search for opportunity will directly get back to you if you do all these things in a good manner. So if you are someone who aims at starting your own business, then connections are very much important. You should be active in social media in order to fulfill your thoughts. And other thing is you need to dedicate some time in social media, so that it will be in a concurrent manner. So dedicate some time, dedicate 15 to 20 minutes of your day for social media, for posting something or for commenting some posts, or connecting with people, or watching some videos in YouTube. So you can learn many things, right? So the main thing is you can learn many things, and as well as you can teach many things. So it helps you to collaborate, it helps you to contribute, and also it helps you to learn and adapt things easily. So these are the 4 C's of social media that everyone must follow in this time. See, nowadays internet is available for everyone. With the fast-paced internet evolution, everything is happening in the internet. So we all know how the situations are post COVID, right? So everything is done online, so everything is depending on social media now. So just sit down and realize yourself that how much quality time you are spending in social media for learning or for contributing. So if you are really if you really think that you are doing good, then you are in a right way. If you think you are just using social media for entertainment, then you need to transform yourself, so that social media, you can get much of social media, because social media is future now, right? Because all these digital technologies depending on social media. Every business nowadays depending on social media and internet. So ask yourself a question, that how good you are in using social media, and follow these 4 C's so that you can really succeed in your career. Thank you for watching this video. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get updates about all my notifications, and follow me in social media. I will be available as Yashwant Palagat in all my social media handles, so that we can stay connected and we can create a much more healthier environment. And also watch my courses in Udemy. So links are available in the description. So please share this video and help a contributor like me to grow more. Thank you for watching.